Here we are with Brid Walker from Cost Effective Maintenance. Obviously with temperatures warming up again, Brid, it's time to talk about all things coolant related. Can you give us a bit of a run through of how the RMI 25 works?
Yeah, sure, Jimmy. The RMI is a concentrate. It's added to your cooling system. It cleans, protects, and removes any sludges and keeps the hoses very pliable. These hoses here have done 320,000 kilometres, and as you can see, every one of them is nice and pliable. Nothing stiff or crispy. No corrosion along the laminates there in the rubber. And you can see the clean-up here from corroded radiators, where the cooling system with the RMI and actually dissolves that, puts it into the cooling system, and it floats on the top, which can then be easily removed from your expansion tank. So all in all, it's good value for money too. It's about half the price of glycol. And if you need any more information, just look at the website.